same. This is a saltwater from the ocean, seawater pearl. That is more round shape, but they have a slightly natural imperfection on the pearl surface. These two, freshwater pearl from the river. The shape a little irregular, okay? And a very good way you can catch is two pearl, then you can rub them together. Real pearl, that is rough and sandy feeling.
And some they put in milk also?
Also, you can see some pearl powder. The fake one is very slippery, very smooth. Try this one, very slippery. Sorry.
This fake one?
Yeah, that is the
These are $200 US. These are $300 US. 20% discount is being given on these necklaces. Here you can see pearls of different shapes. Anything good is there and
Any bargaining?
no bargaining, it's all fixed.
Here on sale.
Huh?
On sale, no bargain. This one,
It's all same
which
price.
one is real out of this? Oh, up there is real, no fake here.
All are real.
Yeah.
These necklaces are around $250 US. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.